My name is Flash Isaac, and I'm a teacher from the future. When I was much younger, I saw thousands and thousands of people fail Jamb and unable to gain admission. This made me travel in time. Now I am back with the Flashlearners Jamb app and a series on YouTube tagged 120 Days to Jamb. My mission is to help you blast Jamb and as well get justice for everyone who Jamb has served breakfast. This is episode number 78 of the 120 Days to Jamb Mathematics with Flash Isaac. In this episode, we shall be looking at questions under geometry and trigonometry like we've been doing, but specifically under trigonometry. We have a nice question here which says, if cot theta is 8/15, find sin theta. That is the question. Now, what is cot theta? Cot theta is 1/tan theta. Sec theta is 1/cos theta. And cosec theta is 1/sin theta. Take note of all these. If cot theta is 1/tan theta and tan theta is opposite over adjacent, it implies that cot theta is inverse of tan theta, that is adjacent over opposite. So that is cot theta, adjacent over opposite. So it means adjacent is 8, opposite is 15. 8, opposite is 15. Hypotenuse is unknown. From Pythagoras Theorem, hypotenuse is equals 17. So food is ready. Sin theta is therefore opposite 15 over hypotenuse 17. So 15 over 17, option C is the correct option. So simple, right? Right. If tan theta is 5/4, find sin square theta minus cos square theta. Tan theta is 2 opposites over adjacent, that is 5/4. Yes, 5/4. Hypotenuse is definitely the square root of 41. Applying the trig ratio, no, applying the Pythagoras theorem. But we are asked for sin square theta minus cos square theta. Sin theta will be opposite over hypotenuse 4 square. This is sin square theta minus cos square theta is adjacent 4 over opposite over hypotenuse is 41, and sin square theta will be, or cos square theta rather, is the square of that guy. I think this makes a lot of sense to us. Here is 5 squared is 25, square root of 41 squared, square takes care of square root, minus 16 over 41. This will give you 25, 16, 59. That is basically 9, I guess. 9/41. So that is your answer, 9/41. Pretty simple. So ladies and gentlemen, This brings us to the end of this episode, and I do trust you found it helpful. See ya in the next episode.